years have passed you by, but then a winter begins. They twist you up inside the scattered dreams, and the stories left you way too high. The sea of people reach out, take you to the sky. So catch a singing bird in the morning blue. It tells a story, you know it's true. So don't you cry for me, and I won't cry for you. You left the singing bird, both the morning blue. Where you wait for the desert, turn into the lake, cracking open stones for all the blood to break. Don't you separate the mind of a lonely man, 'cause he's at the bottom of his bottle, and that's all he has. So catch a singing bird, catch a singing bird in the morning blue. It tells you a story, you know it's true. You don't cry for me, and I don't you. So let the singing bird tell you about the dew. Dawn breaks all your rains. Come up once in the morning sun. The scattered dreams and the stories left you. A sea of people take you to the sky.